Hello everyone, good evening. Hello, hello. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good. Hello, Couch. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. And Abelia, welcome to the stream. Guys, welcome, welcome. Thank you for the Heartman. Go popular, Couch. Thank you, thank you. Good evening, Zed. Hello. Medyo late night stream tayo ngayon kasi medyo na-stress ako kanina. Late start ah. Yeah. I had some problems earlier. So, yeah. Basta yun na yun. How was your day? Not, it's, I won't say it's good. I won't say it's bad. Actually, no. I can actually say that it's bad. I'm stressed as fuck. Hey, we're still level video. Thank you. Asan yung nether portal dito? I am miles away. Okay, I think I see it na. Isn't there anything that we can say? I said, Valo? Nah, I'm playing with someone right now. Because... Ay, joke. Kala magsisimba pala ako mamaya. Diyos ko po, tas gusto mo mag-Valo? Say a single word, hush, hush, hush. Hello, May May, what a shame. I get the final say because I don't want to do this any longer. I don't want. 11:30 a.m. simba ko. Maaga pa yan. Hush, never spoken. Where the how the fuck do you go from here?
Where is your
Hindi kasi naghanap ako ng Savannah Biome noon para kay Dot. Ah! Tapos ngayon, hindi ko alam kung paano ko babalik. Hindi, alam ko kung paano bumalik. Nakakatamad kasi I'm like, how far am I from my base? I am 4,000 blocks away from my base, almost 5,000.
What the hell?
Wait, nasaan ka ngayon?
Sa village near spawn.
Wait, wait lang. Kali, are you in the base right now? Who are you with? Sino kausap mo? Si Ja. Di ba naka-on yung Discord ko? Try mo magsalita, Ja.
Hello?
Ayun na, nagkano naman si
Hello?
Ja. Hello, where's up, bro? Ako Rishi, welcome. Di rinig? Wait ba? Or talaga mahina? Wait,
Hello?
ayan.
Hello, you're
Okay, let
just
us deep talk.
programming.
Lah, ba't
You're
naman?
so...
Ano Delulu ako? Ako Rishi, welcome.
Nag-what?
Delulu.
Oh, kala ko nagdulo.
Dinig ko na onte, yeah, mahina nga. Ano ba yan? Ah,
Why?
ayan. Kaya ako hininaan yan doon kasi ano, ang dami namin sa VC noon. Tapos ang ingay, hindi na ako marinig. Ah! Salita ulit niya.
Sorry. Hello? Hello? Hello, hello.
Hindi ko na mic test. Wow. Oh, Dashi, Wakabushi. I will survive. I will survive. Ah, okay, I saw the ano. Ah, putik sa likod lang pala ng portal, bobo. Vibe muna sa music. Hush, 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 hush. There is no other way. I got the final say. There is spoken. All of the broken. Baby, hush, hush. Okay, I'm on my way back sa base nila Kali. I think this is where it connects. Let's go po. I don't have any gold thingamajig on me. Don't chase me. Malayo naman kasi ng sabana na to visit. Ah! I don't think I want to share. How much I love you. I never knew. Valo, hindi nga ni. So I play vicious games, vicious games, vicious games, different names. Wala talaga ako sinabing Valorant. May sinabi pa, wala naman sinabing Valorant, di ba? Ano, Ja? Ja, you're off mark.
No.
Ano? Wala akong na-mention Valorant.
Oo nga, wala nga.
Baka nung kinakanta ko yung ano, baka nagham lang ako sa kanta. Kasi Vicious Games, Valorant, both letter V, although magkalayo yung ano, yung words nila. Ay, yung pronunciation. Pam, param, pam, pam, pam. Whenever narinig ko tong kantang to, naalala ko Versace 1995. So, naalala ko yung ano issue, kaya naisip ko ano, I'm a model walking. Well, yan na, paano na siya, good morning na. Para sa'yo, good morning na to, para sa akin, evening pa to. Napakalayo naman itong anong to. Portal na to. Pero yeah, welcome na. Pam, 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 pam. Wala ka pa tulog. Wah!
Ouch.
Ah! No! Ba't may skeleton dito? Hayop siya. Tarantado. I'm not here to play shoot pew pew. I'm here to build. This is it. Ako po! I hear a ghast.
Opo. Oh, God.
Okay, tama nga yung ano ko. Eh, punta lang ako sa base ko. Now I'm
Hopper.
1,600 blocks away. Wait lang, may reply lang ako. Hello, cousin! Nakaka sa stream ako. Ikaw. Hmm. Clark, I'm not accepting any music song requests. This is it's my playlist. Ano pala aim dito sa MC? Wala, may ano, may server kami ng mga ano, ng mga ano, ibang VTubers and streamers. Kala ko Papa will join. Most likely tulog yun, wag mo nang anuhin. Mm, mm. Reset, natapon yung tubig ko. Not that much, 6 spill out lang sa ano, tubig ko. I mean, build, fight, mine, horde. Build? Malamang. Malamang sa malamang. Ako pa talaga. Pero ngayong gabi, most likely magmamine ako kasi di pa ako nakapag-mine. Ja, are you doing good?
Yeah.
Are you good?
Mamay na.
I-miss ko na yun ha. 11 p.m. to 4 p.m. lang siya active. Di lang ako nire-replyan. Oo nga, di pa ako nire-replyan. Hayop. Charot. Narinig mo ako, ano, please reply na sa akin. Pakina mo.
Minura.
Seb. Wala akong katanong-taluhan. Hindi kasi ikaw. Kilala mo na kung sino yung meaning ko. Wait, alis na may nanonood akong drama. Go lang. Yeah. Why is that happening? Thank you, Couchy. Thank you, thank you. May gusto tuloy akong anuhin sa'yo, ano, Ja. Kasi may isang
What?
anak ko nag-ano sa akin. Siya, parang ako yung mag-ano. Yung sila na sa akin is, magtanong daw ako sa kanya, anything. Tapos,
Yeah.
magsasagot daw siya ng honestly. And, nagtanong ako. Tapos, ano, sabi ko, ano, sige, back to you. Ikaw naman mag-isip ng tanong para sa akin. Kasi ngayon, parang gusto ko magtanong din sa, ng, ano, gusto ko din, gano'n yung ibang friends ko. Like, magbigay sila ng tanong sa akin. And I'll answer honestly. Guess mo ba?
Yeah. Nag-blank out ako saglit. Sorry.
It's okay.
Um, ano magtatanong ako sa'yo?
Yeah.
Hmm, ano ba tinanong sa'yo para may idea ako?
Yung isa is, ano, yung una is regarding about sa guy, sa isang guy, which, kala niya nung una, which is nasagot ko na actually dun yung dati. habang nag-chat kami. Tapos ano, um, I already answered him honestly, pero kala niya joke ko lang yun. Pero nagsabi pa ako ng isa. Nasabi ko sa kanya isa pa. Tapos, ang tanong niya sa akin is, wait lang, ano nga ba tanong niya sa akin? Putik sasan yun? Ayun, if ever na I will go back in time and what will I change? Anong gagawin ko?
Oh. Tapos,
Yun lang yung nasagot, yun lang yung dalawang question sa akin.
anything.
Oh. If medyo personal siya, i-chat mo na lang sa akin sa DMs.
Medyo, pag-isip ako pa.
Yo. I can give at least 3 tries. Hindi naman 3 tries, 3 questions na
3
lang.
tries.
3 questions na lang ngayon.
Genie yan.
Pero wala akong
LGG.
ginagrant na wish. Ginagrant ko lang kayo Nagagrant ko lang
Nagtatanong ka ng question.
Hindi, ginagrant ko sa inyo curiosity nyo. I'll satisfy your curiosity. As a samurai, I give up. Oh, baby. 700 bucks na may. At tayo ba? That would be just... Ivy, thank you for the follow. Thank you. Very much appreciated. Welcome to the stream. How are you? How's your evening or morning? Wait lang, may check lang. Sige, sige, sige. Feel like living without feeling alive without you. Grabe nag-rap. So, yun na kasi yung usual kong greetings, kaya normal na sa akin na ganun yung sinasabi ko. Feel alive without you. I know there's heaven when I'm loving you. There's nothing. Heaven without loving you. There's no limit without loving you. There's no limit without loving you. There's no limit without loving you. Never. Ano dyan? It could be any questions. Pwedeng personal, pwedeng deep question, pwedeng NSFW, anything.
NSFW. Hala.
My makeup. Level active siya pero di nag-reply. Ano ba yan? Say I'll look for you.
Ito, personal din ko na. I don't know kung nakwento mo na to or kung nalimutan.
Ano?
Ayan. It is Pop Tarim.
Oh, I'm not sure kung nakwento ko na sa'yo or hindi. Or maybe kinuwento ko siya pero not in details. Yeah, parang hindi ko ata nasabi in details. Okay, so, yung question niya okay, pwede ko naman i-air out yung question, di ba?
Ikaw bala.
Okay. So, ang question niya sa akin is, why did I break up with my first and only relationship? So, back then, this was 2022? Yeah, June 2022, so birth month ko pa. We didn't actually last for a whole month. I think we started first week of June and I ended it at around last or second to the last week of June. So, I broke up with him kasi we were talking and so syempre, we're talking like,
God.
oh,
God.
Jesus Christ. So we were talking like about normal stuff and ganyan. Tapos, he suddenly got in the mood. Well, usually, ako, oo, willing ako mag-ganon most of the time. Pero, syempre, aminin sa aminin, there will be times na wala talaga ako sa mood. Kahit anong gawin ko. Of course, I was like, what, 17 years old that time.
Mm.
So, I said to him na wala akong sa mood and whatnot. And they kept, insisting. So, I told him na ayoko nga, wala nga ako sa mood and whatnot. To the point na parang medyo, di naman sa aggressive, pero parang medyo sassy na yung pagsasalita ko sa kanya. Tapos, bigla niyang sabi sa akin na parang, ano, na it's not like me na hindi daw, ano, willing magganon. And yun yung nag-ano sa akin, yun yung basically, yun yung, naisip ko yung tamang term eh. That was the straw
Sumisnap,
that was
ganun.
the straw that broke the camel's back, ayun. So, yun yung inis talaga sa akin. Tapos yun, nag-away kami dahil doon. Tapos, I blocked him for like 3 days. 2 or 3 days. Tapos, within those 2 or 3 days, iniisip ko na sa sarili ko, makikipag-break na ako. Tapos, I let out the tears that I wanted to let out and shit. Tapos, para nung mismong araw, which is Friday, nung nag-usap ulit kami, I told him I wanted to break up. At first, syempre, nag-ano siya na wag mag-break up and whatnot. But at the end, umokay naman, he agreed to break up with me. So, ayun. After that, I
Oo,
think, isang beses lang ata kami nakapag-usap nun. Tapos, parang nagkamusta lang, pero after that, wala na.
wala na.
Yeah, he was 1 year older than me, so 17 ako, 18 years old siya. And LDR kami. So, yeah.
Mm.
TLDR, he was focused on my body more than actual feelings. So, yun na yun. Okay, so any more questions? And we have
Ah, isip
Di
ako.
talaga
Wait.
tunay yung LDR ma. I mean, it could work, but the thing is, mas hindi naman sa LDR could work if you have already met up before dating. I feel like mas maano yung foundation nyo if mas maganda yung foundation ng relationship nyo if you did. Especially if like, kunyari, you were both in the same place together. So, doon kayo nagkatuloy and whatnot. Tapos, let's say, yung isa, mag-iibang province or mag-iibang, ano, ibang bansa, syempre for their career or study. So, at least may established na kayo na relationship. There's established physical contact and whatnot. Kasi talaga ng mga tao is close lang. I mean, true naman din. I mean, I too would prefer to be close with my partner. Pero, I would also be opposed to be LDR. Lalo na since I do plan on leaving the country. Siyempre, nursing assistant slash caregiving. I have like literally one of the highest chances to leave the country. So, siyempre, if I do get a relationship within getting my experience here in the Philippines, well, siyempre, need ko mag-LDR. I'm willing to adjust na mag-LDR para sa future boyfriend ko. Pero if they're not willing to adjust and papapiliin ako kung sila or trabaho ko, syempre trabaho ko pipiliin ko. Syempre mas pipiliin ko na umayos ang buhay ko muna.
Kapag hindi siya marunong like
Oh,
mag-wait.
yeah, I'd rather be selfish to a partner rather than being selfish to myself. Hello, Chima. Hello, Chima. Welcome. Also, nandito na pala ako sa base ko, Yeah.
Can you send me the coordinates?
TP ka na lang sa akin.
Pwede ba
Malayo-layo
yun?
man. Oo, malayo-layong ano to.
Oh, I should have just done
Happy
that,
streaming.
bro.
Thank you, Chi. Did you finish streaming na ba? I thought, I thought you, no, I didn't thought. I think nakita ka lang sa streaming kanina.
Ganun, di ba? TPA.
Oo. It's really about commitment, trust, and communication. Sim. Also, Chi, thank you for sharing the live. Thank you.
Hola.
Welcome to my future city state.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know what to do.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Ang
sorry
taas
if,
ng ano.
yeah. Sorry ma if nawala ka, nag-stock lang ako sa isang account. Go lang. May isang
By the
malaman.
way,
Oo.
based ba to sa Bedrock?
Ha?
Based ba sa Bedrock?
Pati yung based sa Bedrock.
Yung server? Or yung Minecraft?
Dati, pwede Bedrock dito, pero ngayon only Java na lang.
Ah.
Why don't you give me a call? May isang malaking cave dito eh. Come here. Dito sa likod mo.
Nilabanan ko yung skeletons. Tinadtad lang ako ng arrow. Kaya ako namatay.
Not you getting followed on Minecraft.
Man.
Also, ito, may ano dito eh. Dito sa baba, sa may plains dito sa baba. May ano dun. May malaking cave. I'm also planning on doing like a cave village dun sa loob nun. Just dropping by before I sleep. Good night. Good night, Ishi. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you so much. Every darling better yet. Ring. Why don't you give me a call?
Where's the cave?
Nasa mismong plains pa eh.
Ah, okay.
Do you need tools ba?
Yes.
Okay, I shall get you some.
Yippee!
Ano zip? The fact that I got all of this without even mining kasi may isang nagbigay sa akin ng actually dalawa sila nagbigay ng one stack of iron for helping them direct to their directions. And even diamonds, nakakuha din ako. Tapos nag-explore ako, I got four diamonds as well.
Hindi ko pa ginagamit.
Ring, how did you give me a call? Sorry, ring, how
Oh,
did
wait.
you give me a call? Ring.
Ano difficulty niya?
I'm not sure.
Hard. Ah, that's why.
Hello, call me Jacob. Welcome to stream ako. Welcome.
Ano ba yan? Patay ako. Nag-tame pa ako ng puso.
Do you want a sword ba?
Yes.
Okay. Ay, shit. Mali yung. Give me back the iron. There.
Yippee!
Yo!
Go lang. Hello, alligator. So, there's stream ako. Welcome. Never take it to this then, are you gonna go mining ba?
Yes.
I'll come with you.
Mine for a bit. Then,
Kuha ka nga ng mga ng mga tawag ito, ng mga wood.
okay.
Thank you. Want po ba ng food?
Maghahanap na lang on the way.
I have a lot of hay bale dito naman.
Okay.
I'm going to eat. I need to eat. Meron pala mas.
What did I say?
Oh, shit.
Nag-set ka na ng spawn dito?
Yes.
Okay.
Give me food. Give me food.
Wait lang, nasa akin. Wait lang. What's your sticks sword? Here,
Oh! Sangyo.
No problem. Hello, Mati. Welcome to stream. This is the one I want for life. To the one, to the one I want. What a hell?
Natatawa ako.
Sure ka, kaya mo pa
Mamadala ako.
maggawain?
Yes.
Okay.
If I
Welcome sa
die, matutulog na lang ako.
welcome back to the stream. Okay, let's go. Nasa water bucket ko, visit. Or bukas ko na kukulitin yun. Go. Baka nga tulog nga yun. Ayan mo na. Let him rest. Most likely may ano pa yun. May school pa yun. Okay, let's go. So yun, ano. Nak, you also have yet another chance para do sa question. Since ngayon gagawin ko ng 3 questions siya. 3 tries. Kumbaga. Hello, Naita, no, Hashim. Tama na, ho. Diyos ko. Like I said sa'yo, like I said nga kanina, it could be anything, kung personal, deep question, about NSFW, chu. Hindi naman kailangan ngayon na kahit bukas na. Did you get wood ba?
Oh no,
I'll just go get some wood.
I forgot.
Bukas naman na. Okay. Sorry, active pa kasi yung utak ko pag ganitong oras. Eh.
How?
Because I'm a night owl.
Sabagay.
Ikaw, Ja, may question, may naisip ko ng question.
Do you think cheating will ever be justified?
Never!
That's true.
There's only one, like, scenario that I think cheating would be okay. And it's if abusive yung isang yung
partner.
tas parang ayaw siya pakawalan.
Okay. That's fair.
Like, that's the only time that I could think na okay yung yung cheating.
Pero in general, no.
Nah, hell na. Look, if you don't like someone anymore, just break up with them.
Ayun. Rin. Like, communication and shit. Just talk.
Yes.
If each person had a warning label, what yours say?
Oh.
Ako, malilim din.
Ano nga ba?
Inanda ko na rin siya. I heard that.
Hindi, hinihikab lang ako ngayon pero mamaya pagkahiga ako, gising na gising ako.
Okay.
It's always like that for me.
God.
Pero if I had a warning label, I would say, may water dito. Yung kada stream, I miss being about them, takti balik ka na pa. Truta.
What?
Pero, ano nga ba?
Like,
Kasi parang apaka-common kasi pag sasabihin ko, about sa pagiging, ordi ko. I mean, it could be, pero like, ang kasi,
para sa'yo, ano red flag mo eh? Parang ganun.
red flag ko,
Do you think are your red flag? That's basically the question.
I feel like yung red flag, the red flag that I can think of is like a red flag more to myself than to others. Kasi I feel like I adjust a lot to people. To the point na minsan napapaisip na ako kung am I still me? Gets mo ba?
Yeah. I low-key get that.
Like, I feel like, when it comes, lalo na pag nagkaroon ako ng relationship, I feel like I would adjust myself a lot just for the sake of the relationship.
Hindi yung sa point of like being a people pleaser.
Oh.
Pero, yung parang di ka na sure what you are, what you like,
Oh.
what you want to do.
Obvious maho na mahilig ka mag-adjust. Paano mo nasabi yun, Nak? Uy, may shade pala dito. Oh my gosh,
What?
may geode pala dito. Randomly guessing. Wow. Okay, if I wanted to build with amethyst, alam ko na kung saan ako kukuha. The cave goes deeper here. Pero yeah. Pero yun, anong maging warning label ko?
Like something people have to like look out for here. They date.
I know, like, I get the
This
question
weapon
naman.
not red.
Pero like, hindi ko maisip kasi. Father, please
Ano
return
hindi
your
kasi
holiness. Is needed ka din boss mo. Wala eh. Busy yung ano mo. Busy yung taong yun. I guess, asan yun? Putex.
Find you.
If nag-strict tayo, tatagal ba? Medyo responsible naman ako sa strict ko. Minsan ako nakakamiss. I can't say for this guy. I can't say the same for this guy.
Halata. That's what I meant by lilimutin ako.
Kasi yung naisip kong red flag talaga sa akin is more so, red flag to myself. Yun yung usual ko naiisip. People pleaser ka ma, I'm guessing. May pagka-people pleaser ako, oo. Pero at the same time, I also have my boundaries. Like, pag nasobrahan na, I know when to stop. So, I don't know if you would consider that as people pleaser kasi, ouch. Wow, I drove all night. Everything good?
Yes.
Actually, kinakabahan ako biglang bukas pinto nakita CP. Naku. What the? What the fuck did you see? The fucking hero, Brian?
No, may creeper lang sa isang end ng tunnel tapos dinadala ko ng tubig papunta doon.
Wait. Actually, I already thought of naisip ko na yung yung sabihin ko pero bigla kang sabihin ko, putex.
Like
Ayun. Warning. This person has, tends to, have a lot of mood changes. As unpredictable, ayun. I'm unpredictable. Also, nakamiss ka ng 2 diamond dito.
What?
Yeah. Pero yeah. Mind you, naka-texture pack pa ako. And I haven't seen a diamond ore here.
Ano sa taas?
Hindi, ano to,
Ay,
lapis.
that's lapis.
Hindi nga, ito sa'yo na to. Nasa gilid yung dito sa may side na to. Pero yun yung magiging warning label ko. I'm unpredictable. Ba't kasi ang strict nila?
Naduduling ako sa kadiliman. Happen.
2 fucking skeletons and 2 creepers. Both skeletons have enchanted bows? Hello? What the hell? Kasi here's the thing kasi yung ang predictable ng mood ko, it's to the point na like for example, sobrang masaya ako, 'di ba? Tapos like give it like 1 hour, tapos biglang sasama mood ko.
Magugulat ka na lang kung bakit.
Oh,
niya bigla.
also ayun, I suddenly thought of it na.
Diamonds!
I also found diamonds. Another, I guess you could say this is another red flag of me. Pero, I don't like people, taking care of me. And I also don't like, ano nga ba yung word na nasa isip ko? May inisip
Sanay
ako
ka ba?
kanina eh.
Dependent?
Parang ganun na nga. Ay, ano ba yung sabi ko sana kanina, apart doon? Like, I don't like being taken care of. And I think it was also about my mood then. Ayun! It wasn't about my mood. Related siya dun sa about being cared for. I don't like it I don't like opening up. So, if I have like a grudge on you na it's not like parang may masama kang ginawa sa maraming tao and whatnot. It's more so like a personal grudge on me. Para dahil kunyari may ginagawa ka sa akin. Kinikimkim ko yun. Tapos hindi ko nasasabihin sa iba. I just don't like opening up about how I feel. And I can understand na it's destructive. It's self-destructive. Pero I really
Understand.
can't, yeah, I don't know how to open up. Like there are times na bigla na I feel so down. Pero kahit I already feel that way, hindi ako magsasabi sa iba. Like I'll rather keep it to myself. Which is ironic kasi palagi ko sinasabi sa actually maraming tao is that feel free to talk to me if they have any problems. Yet when I do experience problems, I don't want to air it out to other people.
Ano yun, like, gusto mo,
Huh?
sila mismo sabi ng problema nila.
Ano?
Mas, mas prefer mong ay, gago, sorry. Mas prefer mong sila yung magsasabi ng problema nila.
Parang di naman din sa ganon. Like, parang kasi I know the feeling of not being able to let out your grievances. So, parang binibigay ko yung inano kasi yung wording kasi. Kumbaga parang since I know the feeling, I don't want others to experience that. Gets mo? Yun yung nararamdaman ko. Like, it's fine if I feel it, but I don't want the people that I care about to feel it. Kasi naranasan ko. Pero at the same time, ayoko din na, na baguhin yun. Kasi I became contented na. Bless you.
Excuse me.
Alam mo, involve ako na Shimo ko. Pero, yeah. Say my name, say my name. Baby. Say my name, say my name.
Diamonds!
Ito mga gusto ko eh, yung mga ano, mga deep talks. Ewan ko, it entertains me for some reason. Para multo din ko, nagsalita na mag-isa habang
Oh
tulog.
my god, wonder
Lagi pag ako yan, natakot na ako. I mean, to be fair, kung may narinig ako nagsasalita sa kwarto ko habang mag-isa ako, matatakot talaga ako kasi only child ako.
Hala. Paano pag ako yun?
La. Kung gano'n, edi patulog ka na lang, ingay-ingay mo. Kung kala mo ano ba yun? Sleep paralysis demon, tas ikaw lang pala.
Ang daldal ko yun.
Tas, tas narinig mo lang sabi, what the damns? Lagi na imagine ko tuloy, what if ano ka? What if ikaw yung sleep paralysis demon ko?
Lagi ko yun, alam mo, lagi ko nararanasan. Para,
Dubai
lalo na
chocolate
pag like,
chewy, ano tara. Ano ba lasa nun? Hindi ko pa natitikman yun.
don't say that.
Oh?
Lagi ko nararanasan.
Sleep
Para,
paralysis demon?
hindi naman demon. Hindi paralysis lang talaga.
Ah,
It only happens when I, sleep at an earlier time.
when you sleep
Body
in?
clocks. At an earlier time, my body clocks
Ah,
used. So, like,
Ilo
di
kasi
ba,
empanada, ano tara, or may iba na siya. Agay! Buti na lang wala akong, I'm not pining for anyone. Hehe. Takot may isang pa rin pagitan namin nung hagdan sa rooftop. Diyos ko. Ay!
oh, oh, tip ka sa akin.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ka kasi kaya medyo malapit
Sa
ako.
malaking cave na
Hindi, medyo
dami.
malapit naman ako sa surface eh. Hello, Exton. Ownership. Welcome. Doroy-doroy pa kayo ng swimming kung hindi mo rin naman siya makakapiling sa huli. Ba't ka ba bigla nagaganyan? Like, what's with the sudden, ano? You're talking to the wrong person kasi wala naman ako na ano. I'm not
I see.
experiencing any,
Hindi ka na lang sa akin.
okay. Kasi di ako nagre-relapse right now. I don't miss anyone. Thank you.
Nagbago ba skin mo? Parang ngayon,
Huh?
skin mo, bago ka ba?
Hindi. Same pa din. Putang ina! Nag-ayos pa ako ng gamit dito, uy.
Did you lose anything?
Wait, I'm double checking. Where's my boots?
Basot.
Sound ko na
Suot
pala.
mo na.
Hindi kasi nagre-render eh. Oh my gosh, Trina, what are you doing here? See you tomorrow. Charot. I am traumatizing myself. Say my name, say my name. Don't you go again, say my
Can't hit me.
name, say my name. Yes, baby. Hey, yeah.
Pompong zone.
Where the fuck did my cobblestone go? My name.
Oh shit.
Hold up, wait a minute. Okay lang, go lang. Yay, 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 yay. Yay, 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 yay. Yay, 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 yay. Asa na lang mamansin na yung papa ko bukas. Shot ko nga din bukas. Hello, Nami. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Are you the Nami that
Diamonds!
I know? If you are, welcome, Nami. Welcome sa stream. Kamusta? Uy, Minecraft. Yes, I am playing Minecraft. Minecraft. Ang cringe.
Wow.
Ayoko na. Someone kill me. Someone put me down. Baka sabi na lang, miss ka ng anak mo. Wow. Oh, this is a big cave. Hello, Nami. I'm welcome. Kumusta ka na, Nami? Abishim is dead. Heart. Thank you, thank you. This is the private between Oh no! I think I
Wala
saw
ka
your
na.
ano. Yeah, I think I saw
Yeah.
your name tag kanina.
Let me in. Like, oh.
Hello guys, welcome to the Shima Welcome. Dito ba yun? Only give me what I deserve and touch my... Oh, just Alfred, welcome back.
Wait, I'm not ready. Wait lang. Time burst, time burst, time burst, time burst.
Bitch! And
Kill him.
he dead.
Yippee!
Nawag si other sub no Sabado tuloy hanggang ngayon. But I mean, like I said, if you want someone to talk to about that, so sabi mo na lang din ako doon since wala tatay
Oy,
mo.
oy, oy, oy! Gold, gold, gold.
Hello, Elio Harushi. What the fuck? King in yellow! King in yellow!
King in yellow.
Derek!
Don't turn left.
Derek!
Don't turn left.
Alam mo ba,
Oh! Ang ganda sana. What the hell?
alam mo ba tawang-tawa ako doon sa Derek? Alam mo, sa name niya, no? Ni Derek.
There.
Kasi
There.
may meme kami nung may brain rot kami nung IRL friends ko, yung nakasama ko sa walking. Akala kasi na isang jowa nung isang jowa nun is, Frederick. Second name niya yun. Yung isang siraulo kong kaibigan, alam mo kung anong pangasam doon sa kaibigan namin? Derek, Derek. Tapos yung movement, parang, 6'7". So, alam mo ba minsan pag gabi, naririnig ko boses nung nababaitang yun?
Derek. Derek.
Like, parang nag-e-echo siya sa sa utak ko. Sabi ko, what in the brain rot? Natatawa din ako dun ha, ang cute niya mag-flirt. Non-release pero ang cute. Sana all na-release niya, I mean what? Who was that? Must have been the wind.
I run out of torch. You gotta have to.
I can make torches.
Yan ang mga skeleton to. Ang mga napupul. Why do you have? Ang sakit! Ang sakit! That was one shot.
Here, Joja.
Hola.
Where are you? And
Bless you.
here.
Thank you. Thank you.
No probs. Di pa kayo na-release nun? I can't say exactly. But wait, I think all. Pero I think about it, parang oo nga. Two times ko na lang narinig Good Boy sabay yung press ko sa papa ko. Box lang yan. Uy, Jamons. Ja,
Yo.
what's in your inventory?
Lapis, gunpowder, oak.
You bitch, how did you
lime.
not get it?
What?
Avery, what's in your inventory?
Di ko pa kasi napapanood, bully. Nasa ano pa lang ako.
Ay, we, sorry.
Oo. Was that a spoiler? I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Hindi naman.
Okay.
It was a line said lang dun sa story.
Nasa part pa lang ako where, Avery's about to go to the, yung final door. Final,
Okay.
sa bridge. Sa last bridge.
Nakita mo na ko yung loob na hindi pa.
No.
Okay. Dead end. Sino unahin ko, papa ko or BF? Ano? BBF? Ewan ko. Ah!
Uh-oh.
Arms open wide, stream up for you, it's just burning me up inside. Where the hell did we come from, Alto?
So new.
Si Papa like yung parang good boy niya, alam mo yung very dominant siya na parang ako yung bottom niya eh. Nako. Jack, go, ano, punta ka sa akin. I see something here. Ooh, diamond.
Hello.
Ayo, wait. If my calculations is correct. Wait. I hope my calculations is correct. What? Oh, yep, my calculations is correct.
My... Ooh!
TBF ko, pag nag-goodbye naman, did you eat already? Sabihin ko, yes, goodbye 1 3 4 years. Just, damn! Looking for a boy best friend na ganyan. I mean, what?
What?
Oh, please. You'd like the same.
Ano yun?
Tatawagin kang good boy.
Oh, okay.
Understandable. Have a nice day. Pag-study session.
May ano dito.
Yeah, nakita ko nga din sa map ko. At aminin sa aminin, we're unprepared, so wag na.
I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry. Hindi na mabalik.
Bakit nawala pala yung 23 levels ko kanina? 23, 25 pala yun, Potex.
I hope you're happy. You were with me.
Pero crispy water siya ako, Tom. There's nothing here, unfortunately. Study that if you will do good, Gerald will be my baby boy. Huy! When, there's something here. There's something here.
Ah.
There's another part of the, yung simulator sa lawan ko ba?
Dead end.
Sana talaga matawag na akong, good boy. I wanna be someone's good boy.
Kasi, joke lang. Already.
What do you mean it's a joke? Ah! Mm-hmm. You come back to the stream or you just or the one earlier? Aw. Into the sands, she's a leading lady. Sabi ko sana dyan, tanong ka pa, naalala ko pala. You already did your 3 questions.
Yeah, 3 questions.
Pero parang gusto ko pang mga Q&A shoota. Q&A na nga ako, shootex.
Yung sa...
Kahit scene na. How the fuck do we get from here to there? Wait. I see something sa map ko. Oh, there's more pala here. Di natin napansin. Ja.
Coming.
Iipi. Kaya nasanay ako kay Papa. Ano, tas sa akin hindi. Charot. Nagtampo. Sige, doon ka na sa Papa mo, Eme. Help me go.
Dami-dami mo. Sorry.
Pero Marv, sorry siya. Welcome. A fairy tale. You can take the future.
I have to go.
Aww. Alis ka na ba dito? While in the caves or akit ka muna?
Wala.
Ha?
Wala. Okay. Cut muna ako.
Wasted ka dyan para makaplan ako doon.
How deep are you? Man. Don't dig up.
Ha? What? Ano yung tanong? What? Is that your question?
What?
Hindi, yung isang ano ko, viewer ko. Ah, ay nagulat ako. Sabi ko, nakatok ba yung unang question mo?
How do I get out of here?
When in doubt, just dig up.
But we're
What do you
like,
mean by sana? Sana. Wait, what? Ano?
konti na lang matutulog ako sa sala.
Huh?
Konti na lang matutulog ako sa couch.
Why though?
Cause take it more.
Iipin na. God save Jaja.
Wait, kaya pa ako.
I think you know how I feel small and I see. Nagkaanuhan kayo? You all saw each other's ano? What? Shit! Putix!
Hala.
How the fuck did it shot me? Patipin nga sa'yo. Nagkitaan kayo ng ano? Oh, Draki, baka regime.
Just go down.
Okay. Nag-send siya? What? Seryoso?
Morning. I can walk by, go without thought,
Weba?
if I took your hand. What the fuck was that?
What the fuck do I get up back there?
Love it. You with the waves.
No, how did you see if that's the case?
With your
Ah, naka-on
air.
cam kayo? Naka-call, ganun?
Tam, ta, ta, ta.
Wala na. Nag-despawn na yung ano dito, creeper, buisit. We'll start to get the, a fucking disc, buisit. Hello, RJ, what are you?
Ano, pasira na pickaxe ko.
Ha?
Pickaxe ko,
Pickaxe?
pasira
Oh,
na.
no. Humihi pala, basta pansin ko.
Mahal.
Apo. Di, parang, naka-on cam kayo? Ganon? Nag-VVC kayo? Yan ba may... Yun yung tinatanong ko kasi. Diyos ko.
Let's
Uy.
start with you. Right. Just the universe.
Wait, sino ba pinag-uusapan natin? Papa mo o ano? Or BBF mo? Putex. Kasi una mong tanong si una mong minention si, tawag ito? Si you know who. Kaya nagtaka ako. Kaya tinatanong ko, naka-VC kayo nun? Which is nagtaka ako kasi alam ko hindi pa kayo mutuals. Nak, para ka ngayong totoong kaibigan ko totoong kaklase ko, Diyos ko. Pag mag-change topic ka, sabihin mo naman, warningan mo ko. Nang hindi ako nagugulat na lang kung biglang kung ano yung usapan. What the fuck? Ja, how dare you?
Why?
Why did you lay a trap on me while I was going up the stairs?
Trap.
There was a fucking creeper.
That wasn't me.
Nah, it was you. No joke. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, how long? Grabe, ano sabi niya? Nakirius bigla. Para ba naman walk at sino hindi makakapansin? I mean, to be fair, I would do the same. But it's over now. Wait, seryoso? Damn! What the jams? Pero nakita mo?
Oh, I can see the light. Ayun, basement.
Hello, dito. Hello, Jazz. Welcome to stream. Welcome. The fly. Standing ovation. Put on quite a show. Really had to go and not to go. Oh my god, may laban pala dito. Wait, let me just close this up. Never mind. What lang natin sa grade? Of course, it's a fucking gray jogging pants. Of course it is. Any guy's cock like would look big on a gray jogging. Diba ja?
Why are you asking me?
Malay mo, nag-ano ka? Or you notice it from other guys?
Funny thing, naka-jogging pants rin ako right now.
Ha?
Naka-jogging pants rin ako right now.
Oo. Unfortunately speaking, it does not work on me. That says a lot about my size, pero yeah. Then again, I don't care since bottom ako.
Okay, I'm out.
Okay.
Ako ay matutulog.
Okay, good night, Jaja.
Good
Sabi ko sa kanya, Bo, naka-public space break up ka. Sabi ko, anong isip mo? Hindi sinabi. So, was he break up though? Or is he like just, is it really just that, yun lang yung size niya talaga. Okay, so now dancing, you can go walking. No break up, no break. Okay, just go. Knock, you're stronger than me. I would have touched it. Charot. Such a crazy thing to stay on stream. It's magic. I'll do the whole love affair. Try mga gumanon yun. I mean, to be fair, if you're in the mood, you're in the mood. To change your mind, manifest in life. Honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me. Kaya ko ngayon ano ito. So I can't make like a large church dito. So this won't be the main cathedral then. You're all alone. The pretty birds of flown. Honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me. Wait, katuloy nga natin yung topic na yan sa sa DM. Shoot, mag-stream na ako. Short MC stream na ako since wala pa akong inspo for builds. I might do a building stream na lang bukas. So, yeah. Thank you guys to everyone who came here, to everyone who supported me. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you to everyone who liked, everyone who shared, everyone who followed, everyone who gifted. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all of your support. I will see you tomorrow. I would probably be streaming Minecraft or Honkai Star Rail. So, yeah. Okay. I hope all of you have good night's sleep and a great day tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye, everyone. Good night.